Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Invoices plugin from a light version to a pro version. Okay, so the very first step that you have to do is to go into your license manager and download the very latest version of the Invoices plugin. The license manager link is received automatically during the online ordering procedure at the beginning. However, if you have lost this email for some reason, then please don't worry. You have to go to our site, that is RedmineUp.com, and you have to scroll down to your license manager, and then you have to request your license manager manually. If you have still a problem, then please don't worry. You have to contact our support team at support@redmineup.com, and our support agents are going to send you the license manager link. Or you could create a ticket to our support here, if it is easier for you. Alright, so in our situation, we have already downloaded the very latest pro version of the Contacts plugin. So the next step that you have to do is to go to your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and then enter the plugins folder and delete the light version of Invoices. Okay, so we go back to our downloads folder and extract the Invoices. Then we go into the inner folder and then copy this one. It is Redmine Contacts Invoices. So we go back to our plugins folder of Redmine and paste it there. Okay, so the next step is to open your command line, and to be better for you, I'm going to zoom it a little bit. So we go to our core Redmine folder, and then start executing commands. Please make a note that these steps are the same as the normal installation of a plugin. So the difference between upgrade and an installation is that when you upgrade, you have to delete the light version and replace it with the pro version. That's it. So we move on. The first command is bundle install. It is going to install all the required gems for your plugin. The next one is the migration. So the important step here is to set the correct name of the plugin we are trying to install. In our case, it is Redmine Contacts Invoices. Please just ignore these warnings. They are for developers and they are not going to harm the work of the plugin in any way. Alright, so the very last step that we have to do is to just execute touch temporary restored .txt. It is going to restart your Redmine. So all these changes are going to be applied. Okay, so the very last thing that we have to do is to just go to our Redmine and just see if we have done our job successfully. We refresh the page and wait a couple of seconds. Okay, we see that the pro version of Invoices plugin is now successfully installed. So we have done our job successfully. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.